What is up guys, Brandon here, back at you again with another Marvel subscription box. This month it's Animal Instinct, so I have a funny feeling that it's going to be Black Panther related with the recent movie release. And as you well know, I give away every one of the boxes I get in. So last item that I had, or the last box I had, was the Hulk subscription box here. So I'm in the comments section and I'm just going to load a few pages and go down. And I'm just going to pick someone at random. And they're going to be the winner of that box. So you just got to DM me and I shall send it to you. So that month all you had to do was subscribe and comment. So the winner for this one is, boom, Bahawal Rit. Nice box. So this guy, you are the winner of the Hulk box. And if you want to win this box, all you have to do is subscribe and follow me on Twitter. So I will be releasing the next giveaway over on Twitter in 2 months time with the new box. So follow me on Twitter to get yourself entered. So without further ado, let's open it up. So I have seen the Black Panther film. It was pretty good, I must say. The characters were really well dressed, shall I say, and the whole kind of Wakanda environment and lifestyle was pretty sick. So let's open it up and see what we get this month. So usually there's a patch and pin, but it doesn't seem like so unless it's at the bottom. So you got some really cool Black Panther art there on the inside of the box with a Rocket cameo. Is that Rocket? I think it might be. So let's take a look. First of all, you know what? I'm gonna pull this over. You know what? No. Let's just open up the t-shirt. You can see what's behind probably. The t-shirt this month, actually this one looks pretty cool. Oh damn, okay. So this is, sorry about the Howard the Duck. Oh dude, that's sick. I'm loving like just the 3 color scheme going on, green, yellow, and red there. That is a pretty cool tee. And as usual, these t-shirts are always really good quality. I do often wear them. So there is a cool t-shirt, Howard the Duck. And what's in the box? Okay, oh, hello. So now we have, whoa, I don't even know who that is. You guys can tell me. It's like a squirrel lady. I should know who that is. You got Rhino in the back there. Oh man, okay, what have they got? Oh, okay. So it seems like we've got a little rocket pencil there and a little notepad. Let's take that out. I don't think they've ever had this, a pencil and a notepad. I may be wrong. And oh my god, we got a Black Panther wobbler. What the hell is a wobbler? Okay, so there's the little pad. Nothing special, I guess. That'll just be on my desk there. And a pencil. Oh, a pen. Okay, that's pretty cool. And it's a pop pen as well. Touche. So let's take a look at the 2 big boys here. So we got Rhino and a Black Panther wobbler. I'll take this box out 1 second. Check that aside. Now I was hoping for a Black Panther pop, but this one will do. So this one's Rhino. He is looking really cool there. So that's the figurines on the back that you can collect, but this one is an exclusive Marvel Collector Corpse pop. And the painting looks really good on this. And oh wow, he has like a weird textured body. Oh man, that looks cool. He's got the eyes on the side there. Oh wow, this is really detailed. It's got like the creases in the skin all around here as well. Now that one is looking pretty cool. That is a nice pop indeed. So there's the pop. I'll just put that aside a minute. And let's take a look at the wobbler. And if I'm correct, this is the first time they've had wobblers in these boxes. I may be wrong, correct me if I am. So this one, oh Lord, I hope that's not broken. I always have a bad history of pulling those out of the box. So let's put it on its stand so that doesn't happen again. So there you have it. So this is like an elongated pop pretty much for all those people that don't like the short bodied pops. I guess this is like a complete opposite really. An elongated body with super long legs and super long arms. That looks really cool. So that's what's in the box there. We had a really cool t-shirt. We got a pop, a wobbler, a pen, a pad. And like, to be honest, they've had better boxes. Like I was expecting a Black Panther pop which I guess you could class that as a pop almost, but you know what I mean. But yeah, so there you have it. An unboxing of the Black Panther box, or shall I say Animal Instinct. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe and follow me on Twitter to get entered into the giveaway. Peace.